Hi, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our RDT 18K telescopic pole. The RDT 18K is the perfect tool to install or retrieve cables in drop ceilings or other hard to reach places. This tool is covered under our Made for Life lifetime warranty program and can be purchased through one of the distributors listed on our website www.jonard.com. The tool has a series of tapered tubes which interlock to a total length of 18 feet. The RDT 18 comes with multiple attachments such as C-hook, K-hook to help make pushing and pulling of cable quick and easy. It even has a special adapter for use in tight spaces. The pole is rigid, providing more control than other cable fishing products, and has a polyester baked enamel finish for greater durability. When fully closed, the RDT 18K is only 33 inches long and has a handy carry strap with pouch for holding the attachments. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and comment below. Hit the subscribe button to hear about the latest innovations from Jonard Tools.